Prana is a Sanskrit word which means life force or life breath, which keeps the body alive and healthy. Pranic healing, based on the overall structure of the human body, which is actually composed of two parts, the visible physical body and the invisible energy body. Yoga Vidya Pranic Healing is an ancient science and art of healing which involves transfer of life force to heal the whole physical body. The healer projects prana or life energy, thereby healing the patient. Yoga Vidya Pranic Healing is based on two laws: law of self-recovery and law of prana or life force. In general, the body is capable of healing itself at a certain rate. The healing process can be accelerated by increasing the life energy of the affected part and on the entire body. The three major sources of prana are solar, air, and ground. According to pranic healing, disease first appears in the energy body before manifesting in the physical body. The mind can influence to a certain degree the pattern of the energy body. A person undergoing stress is prone for more diseases. For understanding a disease, one should take into consideration the external and internal factors or the seen and unseen factors. In pranic healing, there are two basic principles: cleansing and energizing. It is by removing the diseased energy from the affected part and energizing with sufficient prana that healing is accomplished. Using a scientific no-touch methodology, pranic healing can prevent, alleviate, and heal a whole spectrum of physical, emotional, and mental ailments.
When we took the students as subjects for my thesis, I was really surprised to know that the students in 7th grade standards, their stress level is much higher than the people in US with the disabilities. So we can understand how much our children are going through the stress. We took the measurement through the perceived stress scale to measure their psychological stress. Second one is, in pranic healing, we have a technique called scanning. We have used the scanning techniques to measure the stress in the children energy field. Third one was teacher rudder scale. The teacher measured their behavior patterns in the classroom. Fourth one was physiological changes in the body, in the sense general medical checkup was done. After that, we again conducted the pranic healing sessions for the students in a group. Again we took the same measurement. All the parameters have shown a wonderful, significant improvement in the children, which we were surprised.
Pranic healing can be used in many ways to maintain good health in the human body as a preventive measure to keep ill health from entering the body, to complement any ongoing treatment, to reduce side effects of medication for fast recovery from illness, to strengthen the immune system of the body. The uses of pranic healing are manifold. The ancient science and art has been rediscovered and presented to the modern world in an easy to learn and use method by Grandmaster Chowa Kok Sui of Philippines. Now, Yoga Vidya Pranic Healing is practiced in more than 72 countries. Worldwide, there are about 1,000 certified pranic healers and more than 100,000 pranic healing practitioners and meditators. MS Ramaya Medical College is part of the Gokula Education Foundation, which is spread over 65 acres, established in 1979, and has more than 18 organizations under its umbrella. Along with local and national students, MS Ramaya Medical College also boasts of a large number of international students on its rolls. Gokula Ayush Arogya Dhama is a dedicated department to promote alternative treatments like Yoga Vidya Pranic Healing, Ayurveda, Homeopathy and Yoga.
Alternate medicine has enormous values and can contribute greatly to the concept of not only therapeutic medicine but preventive health and holistic well-being. Many of these alternate systems of medicine like pranic healing, yoga, Ayurveda, Unani and homeopathy systems suffer from lack of scientific validation, and people are not willing to accept which are not validated. Attempts are now made to realize integrating these alternate systems to add value and focus to the concept of contributing to patients' recovery and rehabilitation. Now, the strength of these systems have to be methodically evaluated, and institutions like the Ramaya Medical College here, we have created a department not only to give exposure to allopathic doctors as to what these systems can offer, but to give them a hands-on experience in these fields so that they can attempt to practice or incorporate these values into their patient care in the years to come.
Pranic Healing was introduced in this hospital in the year 2000. It is headed by highly experienced medical professionals and is ably supported by qualified faculty members. The main objective of Pranic Healing Department in Gokula Ayush Arogya Dhama is to uphold and spread the importance and efficacy of pranic healing. To expedite healing processes using pranic healing techniques and to facilitate research in the field of alternative medicine.